Hey Dana and Gina. Hey, just wanted to create a what I call a value video, just so you could kind of see what the numbers are looking like as far as the property that we're looking at over here on 100 Amethyst Court in Hercules. I wanted to show you what the other houses have sold for that compare to this home. So as you can see, right now the house is a 675. 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2346 square foot with a 7,000 square foot lot, built in '88, and so you know the condition because we just went to the property. So let's compare it to the other homes so you know what the value is of this house. So what I did, I put in only Hercules, and I only went back about, let's say, till last May, so that's like 8-9 months ago. And then I only did between 2,000 and 2,700 square foot, and only did 5-bedroom, 3-bath houses, okay? Single family only. And then I also did the year built right here, 1980 to 2000, because we don't want to see any newer homes because that's not going to really compare. So let me show you what I found. And looking at the houses over here, there are 2 homes that I found. Let me organize it real quick. So there's 2 homes that have actually sold around the same exact range that this house is listed for, which brings me to why they listed this house at this price. And so now, is the house that they listed, better than these 2 homes that actually sold? So going in, looking at these houses, this house sold for $675, but you can see it's a lot bigger. It's or not a lot bigger, but it's 200 square foot larger, 2,500 square feet. Updated kitchen, baths, trim work, windows. So pretty similar to the other home. The finishes don't look exactly the same. Not as nice, but pretty close. But again, 200 square foot bigger. That one sold at $675. The other one that I found is almost identical to the house that we're looking at. And this one, the only difference is the square footage. It's more than twice the size of the yard, and no neighbors behind it. You can see, look at the yard is the biggest difference of this home. But as far as the insides, the inside, the bathrooms, they're not as updated as the other home that we looked at. It's not as nice to me, looking at it comparing the properties. This one has an older looking kitchen, original, same cabinet, same countertops. So this one sold at $675. This one just sold in January, a couple weeks ago. And so these are the only 2 properties that sold close to this price. Looking at the other homes that have sold over here, so here's another one, 2234 square foot. It sold for $615 back in June. So that was quite a while ago. It's a beautiful remodeled kitchen and hardwood floors in the bedroom. So let me show you another one. This one sold back in 8/31. Sold for $610. This one needed work. See, home needs TLC. It was a bank-owned property. So you see a fixer-upper like this home, but again, a lot larger. 2,600 square foot, smaller yard though. And then we're just getting lower. This only has 2-car garage, a little smaller. Now we're getting into $600,000 price range. So this gives you a really good idea, though, of just kind of looking at what the houses are going for in this area. You can see they're getting close to this range at the $675 range. So now it really just kind of depends, as far as what the activity they have on the home. If they have no activity on the home, I think definitely, because this house right here is the one that could compare to it, but it has a huge yard. And, I think the value of that is a lot more than the home that we're looking at, even with the finishes that are done on it. So you're going to be somewhere like around the range that we were kind of talking about, around the $650, $655 range. I think that would be a target price. If we could get it for that, that would be a pretty good deal for this home. So hope this helps. And again, I'm trying to get a hold of the agents to kind of see what the activity is, just to see if we would have a chance around this price. Okay, so if you have any questions, you could give me a call and we could talk further. Okay.